Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a staff account on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products. You're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly here, you're going to find apps. So right now, go here to the bottom, give it a click on settings. And then once you're here in the settings, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. So right now, go to users and permissions. So once you're here in the users and permissions, here under permissions, you're going to find store owner, which is you. You can also transfer the ownership to another account if you want. And here under it, you're going to find staff accounts. Select a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts and control who can do what. So, first of all, you need to have a subscription that includes the option to add staff accounts. If you have it, then you're going to be able to add staff from this place. If you don't have a subscription, just click on compare plans. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can get a subscription that includes the option to get staff. So you can get, for example, the Shopify subscription. It is the best for more staff accounts. Right now, I'm going to go back to the settings. And then in the same page here in users and permission, you can also add collaborators from here. Give external designers, developers, and marketers access to your Shopify admin. You can basically add them using this collaborator request code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.